So here for C++, all link in description. So first you need to download DirectX. Just click here and it will automatically download. Then go here and download 86 and 64 version here, and it will download. So then click here, it will download. Then go to this site and click here and download like anything. Like I'm downloading tech power for server, and yeah, that's it. I will skip this part. Okay, after that just came here and press it, and have set and install all those things. I will skip this part also. Then here's second 6486 file. Just click here and install. That's it. I have already installed, so it's telling me to repair. Okay, for the last one, just click here and you can get all the file you need, like 2008 to 2006. So before you install those, you should know a thing. uh, like some games you need, like, requirement. Every game has requirement. Like GTA 5, you should reinstall C++ 2008 September. So you should go here and fetch it out and find 2008. Okay, just you need to install that for GTA. Press yes, and it will automatically install. So that's it. It will help, like every DLL missing and everything.